Hi, welcome to monumentalmath.com. Today we'll be doing finding the GCF, the greatest common factor, using prime factorization, and this is set 4. So we have to find the prime factorization of each of the two numbers, 80 and 120. This is 8 times 10, but 8 is 2 times 4, but 4 is 2 times 2. 10 is 2 times 5. Now you go gather all the prime factors. It had the prime factorization of 2 to the 4th times 5. 120 we can break down to 10 times 12. 10 is 2 times 5. 12 is 3 times 4, but 4 breaks down into 2 times 2. We gather all the prime factors, and so then you put that down, 2 to the 3rd power times 3 times 5. The greatest common factor will be what can fit into each of them. It'll be the lowest exponent of anything they have in common. 2 to the 4th, 2 to the 3rd, so it's got to be the lowest exponent of that. They do not have 3 in common. They do have a 5. So that's it. That's your greatest common factor. 2 to the 3rd is 8. 8 times 5 is 40. Which makes sense. 40 is the biggest number that can fit into both 80 and 120. Next one, 100 and 350. This can be 10 times 10, which is 2 times 5 here and 2 times 5 here. So then that is going to be 2 to the 2nd times 5 to the 2nd. This one, 350, is going to be 10 times 35. 10 is 2 times 5. 35 is 5 times 7. Find all of those. Then that prime factorization is 2 times 5 to the 2nd times 7. What do they have in common, and what's the lowest exponent? That's what we have to look for next. They have 2 in common. We go with the lowest exponent. This one doesn't have a 2 to the 2nd power. Then we go with 5 to the 2nd because they both have that. They don't both have 7, so we're done. It has to be what they have in common. So your greatest common factor is 2 times 5 to the 2nd. 5 to the 2nd is 25 times 2 is 50. And that makes sense. 50 can go into 100 twice and into here 7 times. Done. Okay, go ahead and use scratch paper as you need to, but I'd like you to get good and fast and accurate at this, finding the GCF using prime factorization. Good luck. Enjoy the challenge.